How to customize my account page in WooCommerce. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can customize my account page in WooCommerce. So for that, just download the zip file from the WooCommerce account and just go to the WordPress admin plugins and click on add new and upload a plugin with your file, and then choose a file and install down and activate the extension. And after that, just go to the settings and you will see these two different options, settings or endpoints. And let's just go ahead and click on settings, and after that enable the option will show user avatar in the account dashboard. And after enabling the option, it will allow you to set icon besides your endpoints. The selected endpoint icon will be positioned either right or left side of the endpoints. You can choose between the options right and left as per your choice. Check the option to enable or disable the endpoints, and after that click on add groups link on the top right, and you will be asked to enter the group name. Type the name of the group and hit enter. Then you can add as many links as you want. Just click on add links button on the top right, and you will be asked to enter the link name. Type the name of the link and hit enter, and after that just enter the URL of the page which you want to visit. Enabling the option will open the new link in the new tab when you click on it, and then you just have to hit on save change and click on restore default when your plugin is installed. And after that just click on customizer, and you will be able to redirect to the live editing panel for the plugin, where you will see the WooCommerce my account page on the right and the customization tool on the left. And after that you can go ahead and customize the website according to you. So this is how you will be able to customize my account page in WooCommerce. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.